Welcome friends, my name is Lorraine and welcome to my channel Waverly Creations. Please enjoy the video. In this video I am going to be creating a key holder. It's going to be customized, and the first thing I do is make sure that everything in my surface is clean, free of dust and sanded. I did that off camera, and here I wanted to find a paint that was blue, but I wanted gray undertone, so I added some of my elephant chalk paint to the two colors that I showed before, because I wanted something that was nautical, but it also had a muted tone to it. So I mixed my colors. I had two different shades of blue, but I wasn't really happy with either one, so I wanted to create my own little paint. So you will see me mix, and I added a little bit of water so I can also dilute it and it will glide better through the wood. And I was going for more of a stain look, so I went ahead and watered it down, spread it around, left it to make sure that the wood soaked up some of that paint, and then went ahead and wiped it. I did this for the front, back, sides, all the areas. So there you can see that the grain is coming right through the paint, which gives it more character and texture. Here I'm just cleaning up little pieces of tissue that were left behind when I wiped with the paper towel. Here you will see me getting the lettering from my Cricut. I cut this decal from my Cricut. It was kind of easy taking it off like that, because the DollarTree vinyl is pretty easy to weed, and I'm actually using a tip here. I didn't realize that the back of my that tool that I'm using there, I can't remember the name of it right now, I'm sorry for that, but the top part actually comes off, and it's for you to put your little thingies on there, the weeds that you're taking out. So that was pretty cool to find that out. And once I got everything weeded, I transferred it to my transfer paper, and here you see me adjusting it to make sure that it's straight. I did not feel like going downstairs to get my big ruler, so I just pretty much eyeballed it here. I just make sure with my square there that it was even in the bottom, because we are going to be putting little hanging tools in the bottom there. Varnished, making sure that everything stuck properly. This transfer tape was very strong. This is Cricut transfer tape, and this is probably my third time using it, so, and it's still pretty sticky, so I do recommend the Cricut transfer tape. DollarTree also carries transfer tape. It's also good, but this one you get a lot of uses out of. So as you can see there, it was bringing the letters up. That's how strong the stickiness still was. But when that happens, just keep varnishing and taking off, and burnish and take it off, and just, you know, try to get your letters down and take your time, guys. Here everything has been made quicker. The speed has been augmented, so don't think that I went ahead and did it this quick. This is probably 7 times fast, so I just took my time to make sure that everything stuck. Right there I had a piece that got messed up, so that's why it's important to take your time. So I kept doing that, and the letters, some of them were trying to pull up. So this paper, this vinyl you see here, I got from the DollarTree. I needed a piece that was big. I only had 12 by 12 papers from my Cricut, so I was able to make a bigger decal using my 24-inch mat and the longer 48-inch paper from the DollarTree. Here I am saving my transfer tape for another time. I'm happy there with that part, so I'm going to get my hooks in place. First I thought, let me do 6 hooks at first. Then I'm like, I don't like the letter 6, the number 6 just being there, and I always prefer my things to be in odd numbers, so I decided there to remove one of the hooks. and make it the 5 instead. I just felt like it was more cohesive, and I'm not sure, I like the space in here better. So here I used my ruler there to make sure that they were spaced as close together as possible. And the first two are pretty easy to put in. The third one, the wood was very hard there, so I tried my best to do it. And then the fourth one here, this one was really not want to get in there, so I had to go for plan B, which I should have just done that from the beginning. I took out my drill and went ahead and make a hole. I kept trying until it was time for the drill. I did my pilot hole there, and now it was smooth and easy to put in. And I did the same thing with the last one. Guys, I'm sorry about my voice. My allergies are very bad right now, and my throat is killing me, so you will hear my voice a little bit raspy. I hope it's clear enough. And now it's time for sealing the whole product. Since the letters were pulling up like that, I was a little scared that what time it will pull up on the person that's going to receive this piece. So I made sure that I put a lot of Mod Podge over the entire surface in order to make sure that those letters did not pull up, and this would last a lifetime. So I did that on all sides of this board because I really wanted to protect it, so the new owner will be able to wipe it down and make sure that it lasts for a while and that everything was cohesive. Once I was done, once everything dried, I took some of this nautical rope and I wrapped it around the entire perimeter of the wood there. Once that was done, I took 2 of these eye hooks and I pre-drilled some holes at the top closest to the rope. Try to do it like kind of in the middle. I did it to both sides, and the rope being three pieces of rope together were too thick. The whole rope did not go through that hole in the hook, so I took one of the pieces of rope out and just left it as 2 ropes weaving together, and that made everything a lot easier. I went ahead and tied 2 ropes at each end once I got it to the length that I wanted, and that made the hanger. I sprayed the ends on both areas where I put the nuts, just to add a little bit more of interest. And here we go. This is how it looks so far, and we are done. I hope the new owners love it. This was made with a lot of care, and I hope this inspires to do a nice gift for someone that's special in your life. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe.